Papa. Very less quotes and songs are sung for Papa, but we always say कि Papa is best or my dad is superhero. But what do we do for him? Just we say कि वो best है, but we never ask him how much did he suffer for us. We never ask him for getting us good clothing, how much did he sacrifice. We never ask him for fulfilling our demands, how much overtime did he did. Just to get one smile on our face, how many years did he waste of his youth? We always remember that mom used to have sleepless nights when I was ill. But we forget that even daddy used to stay awake. But because of mindset that daddy is strong and never cries, we never saw his tears. Whenever my legs wobbled and I tripped over, you didn't even take a look on my wounds, but always said, be stronger. This did hurt me, but now one thing I realized is that no matter how much strong I am never stronger enough to live without you. I did my schooling from very well-known school. I used to see my classmates going in big cars or having canteen food or even having vacations at foreign countries, and one day I complained about it. You never said a word, but your eyes expressed a lot. To the reader, I request the mistake I did, please never do it. Because ऐसा कहते हैं कि मौसम का हाल उसे ना सुनाइए जो तुम्हारे लिए रोज़ भागता रहा, जिसके लिए धूप क्या, सर्दी क्या, बारिश क्या. कभी उनसे मत पूछिए कि तुमने क्या कमाया जिनकी जीवन भर की कमाई तुम हो. Always during festives, I used to get new clothes and toys and everything I asked for. But never noticed that in spite of me getting new clothes and toys and makeup and accessories, my dad used to wear the same old clothes. I would never forget that for purchasing my happiness, my dad got spent. When I grew up, I had a habit of saying कि मैं किसी से डरती नहीं. People used to feel कि I am egoistic, but no one knew that deep down I knew. No matter what would happen, my dad wouldn't stop supporting me. He himself was so simple, but spoilt me with everything a girl could ask for. And I am so spoiled that even if a guy comes on unicorns, I wouldn't accept him if he is less than my father. Truly, Dada, you kept me as princess. And I also heard about many people getting listed on Forbes as world's richest man. But for me, no one is as rich as my dad, because I remember every time daddy removing few bills from his torn pockets of shirts and saying, get my daughter anything she wants. And all this made me realize that father's tears and fears might be unseen and his love might be unexpressed, but his love and protection always remains in the basis of our foundation. Love you, Papa. Happy Father's Day.